Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. I hope you all are enjoying your studies at your home and you are preparing for your exams and you are learning and reading very well. Today, I am going to start our fourth chapter grammar. Fourth chapter grammar is use of must and must not, and writing is picture description. Before going to do that revision of chapter 4, I want to take a quick review of chapter 1, 2, 3. Chapter 1 grammar is article. Articles are we use a or and when we talk about something for the first time. Articles are a, or, and the. We use before the singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. We use and before singular nouns begin with the vowel sounds. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Okay. We use the when everyone knows what we are talking about. We use the if we talked about the thing before, means we are talking for second time or next time, we are using instead of noun we are using the there. Okay, it's our chapter 1 grammar, and chapter 1 writing is writing informal letter. And come to the chapter 2. Chapter 2 grammar is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are, we can say one, countable nouns are that we we can use or and before them. Countable nouns are that we can count that nouns, so it is countable noun. We use a or and before them. Okay. Now, the uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. We cannot use a or and before them. And okay, now it is about our second chapter, and second chapter writing is flow chart of story writing. Now complete the fill-ups or a flow chart or a story map. We completed that one. And third chapter is the elders of Cham. In that chapter, we learned grammar, quantifiers and determiners. About we use some, any and a lot of to answer the questions. They are some, any and a lot of. Okay. Then writing is their sequencing. It's about story sequencing or a paragraph sequencing. It is a jumbled line or a jumbled words. We have to arrange it in a proper way. This we learned before this. Okay. Now, today we are going to do our chapter 4 grammar. Chapter 4 is a shipwrecked. Chapter 4 grammar is how to use must and must not. Okay. Must is used to talk about rules, means when we are using rules and we are talking about rules, that time we are using must. And must not or a mustn't is used for the negative sentences, when we are speaking about negative sentences. Okay. Then this is our must and must not introduction. And see here. Here, grammar rule, we must, examples of must, we must wear our school uniform. Means rule is rule. We must wear our school uniform. When we are going to school, that time we must wear school uniform, means it is a rule. You have to. We must not cheat in a test. Okay. It's a negative sentence, must not cheat. You must do your homework. Must means it should be condition or a rule. You must not must not be late for class. It is also rule. You must tidy up your room. You have to Keep your room and clean your room. It's a rule. We must not bite nails. It's negative sentence. We must not bite our nails. हमें nail काटना नहीं चाहिए. Okay. See here. Grammar rule. Parents must take care of their kids. Examples of that must and must not. You must not shout in the library. You must be home on time. They must not forget their school bags. You mustn't turn the music too loud. आप म्यूज़िक ज़्यादा ज़ोर से बजा नहीं सकते हो. We say, we don't say. We must look both way when we crossing road. Okay, see here. Here one rule is there, that is, be careful. The main verb is used without to. हम इधर to use नहीं करेंगे. You must help in the house. We must not make a mess. We must not smoke. We must be careful while using electric appliances. Okay. See here. We are not using to in must not. Okay. Must. We must look both way when crossing a road. It's a correct sentence. If we are using this type, we must to look both ways when crossing a road. It's a wrong. We are not using to after the must or must not. Children must respect their elders. Correct sentence. Children must respect their elders. ing we are not using here. You must not run in class. Okay, it's a correct sentence. These are rule of must and must not. Okay, now come to the your chapter exercise, page number 28 in your textbook. Before this I revise all your must not and must not exercise. I hope you will do it now in a proper way. Read the sentences. Read these sentences. We must get to the lifeboat, said one of the men. Shipwreck chapter is there. In that shipwreck chapter, we must get to the lifeboat, said one man. We use must when we mean that something is important or a necessary rule. When we are using must, that time it's very necessary or it's very important. Mahesh must take his medicine on time. Means Mahesh has to take his medicine on time. It's a important and necessary too. I must buy new glass. I can't read well with mine. Okay, it is also important and necessary. We must go now or we will miss the train. When we are saying something important and necessary, we are using there must there. Match the parts of these sentences. Mithun must eat more vegetables so that he can be healthier. You must read your book carefully. Lily fix her bicycle. She wants to go riding in the park. We must drink all the water in the bottles. They must book their tickets today if they want to leave the next week. These are necessary and important rules. That time we are using must there. Now we are going to read must not sentences. We must not lose hope, said the man. You must not leap over the railing. We use must not when we want to say that something should be not done. When we speak, use must not, short form of a must not. Okay, something should not be done or a negative sentence. Place must not and mustn't. Exercise B, in the correct place in these sentences. Okay, you have to use must not in these sentences. Rewrite these sentences in your fair notebook. I am going to send PDF of picture of this exercise B. You have to complete this exercise in your fair notebook in revision part. You listen to loud music, it is bad for your ears. Means you must not listen to loud music, it is bad for your ears. Okay, we are using here short form of must not, mustn't. You walk on the road, you must not walk on the road. Third, I wake up late tomorrow, I have to go jogging with my sister. I mustn't wake up late tomorrow, I have to go jogging with my sister. We tease other, we must not tease others. Jay, number 5. Jay, you jump off the bus while it is moving. Okay, here some rules are there. You have to follow that rules, and we are saying in a negative. Jay, you must not jump off the bus while it is moving. Okay, you have to rewrite these sentences in your fair notebook. Okay, everyone knows it. When we are using, we use must when we mean that something is important or necessary. हमें जब जरूरी है और it must be important, so that we have to use must. Okay. Now must not. We use must not when we want to say that something should not be done. When we speak, we use must not as a short form in a must not. Okay, we use must not when we want to say that something should not be done. ओ हमें करना नहीं है, तब हम कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे? Must not. And when we have to do that and compulsory or a rule, that time we are using must. Okay, important or a necessary, that time we are using must. And should not be done, that time we are using must not. Must not short form is mustn't. Okay, I hope you all will read and learn this all pictures, page number 28 in your textbook, and you listen carefully this video. It will be helpful for your grammar section. Listen it and do your exercise in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.